Hello Seed Cloud friends. Do you know how I did this recent transaction tab on my financial tracker video? If yes, comment down below. If not, I will share you the secret. Let's go! So if you want to see the recent transaction, don't do this. Let's use index function instead. Type equals index. Choose your an array where you want to fetch the data. Then, for row number, we can just put row 15 since that is the last row, which means the most recent transaction. But what if we have a very long row and we want to see the last 5 transactions? So let's use count A function. Count A, then select range. Comma, column number is 1. So we have now the date of last transaction, so let's drag to the right to get the other details. That is the last transaction. But what if we want to get the last 5 transactions? Don't just drag down. Let's press F4 first to repeat the command or action, so that our values won't be modified. Press F4, 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 and F4. Do the same for all items. Then drag down. For us to get the value from the second last row of our table, subtract 1 from the count A function. Do the same in other items in row 20. And to get the values from the third last row of our table, subtract 2. Then subtract 3 to get the fourth last row. And so on. And that's how I get the recent transaction. Follow for more.